Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on migrating your WordPress store to Shopify using the Woo2Shopify app. Whether you're moving your products, customers, or orders, Woo2Shopify makes the process seamless and hassle-free. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to launch the migration, connect your WordPress store, set up preferences, and start transferring your data effortlessly. So, let's get started. Click on the Launch Migrate button. Now, you will see the WordPress plugin page. Here, enter your WordPress URL and click on the Verify and Connect button. Once connected, you will be directed to the Preferences page. In this section, select the price setting, whether you want to exclude tax or include tax, then click on the Proceed button. Next, choose the data you want to migrate: products, customers, orders, categories, pages, blogs, redirect URLs, and more based on your preferences. Now, you have two options: start a demo migration to test the demo migration. Next, click on Start Migration to begin transferring your store data to Shopify. And that's it. Your WordPress store is now seamlessly migrating to Shopify with the Woo2Shopify app.